Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to make a Doodle meeting. So first you go to the Doodle website and you press create a Doodle. And the first step, you have to say what the occasion is. So I'm just gonna put new meeting. And you can either add a location or a note, whatever you want with that. You press continue. And then you can pick a day out of the week. So I'm gonna pick January 26th on Wednesday. And you can pick whatever time you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick noon. And then you click continue. And poll settings is basically an option for the participants to say if they can make that time or day. So you can just put the first one, yes, no, if need be. And it says participants can indicate if an option is not ideal for them. And then you press continue. Tell your participants who you are. In this case, I put my name, Tito Bice, and my email. And you press finish. And then you can invite your participants via link or email or even both. And you just wait for your responses at that point, and then you have your meeting whenever your meeting is ready. Thank you.